Constants, variables, and keywords. The alphabet, numbers, and special symbols, when properly combined, form constants, variables, and keywords. So, when these alphabets, numbers, and special symbols are combined, then for those combination, keywords are used. A constant is an entity that does not change, whereas a variable is an entity that may change. That means constant does not change and variable is changing. That means if we define in a mathematical sense that f of x, if we consider an equation f of x is equal to y, so x is changing. So there are variables, several variables and constants, so we will discuss about them. In a program, we typically do lots of calculations. The results of these calculations are stored in computer memory like human memory. The computer memory also consists of millions of cells. The calculated values are stored in those memory cells. So this is about computer memory. So it has millions of cells. So in any program, we typically do a lot of calculations and the results must be stored somewhere. So results are stored in computer memory. That means we have dedicated memory, that means 1 GB, 2 GB, etc. So these are memories units, MB, KB, GB, etc. So like human memory, the computer memory also consists of millions of cells. That means 1 bit binary cell is a basic unit in computer memory, that is 1 bit binary cell. So it consists of millions of such cells. The calculated values are stored in those memory cells. Since the values stored in each location may change, the names given to these locations are called variable names. So as a value which is stored in each location can change, that means that value is stored somewhere in memory, so it should be located where it is stored. So we have to give name for that location. So we have to give name for that location, and since value of stored in each location may change, the names given to these locations are called variable names. So we give names to these locations, and these names are called variable names. So these are two boxes. In this example, 3 is stored in memory location and a name x is given to it. So 3 is stored in a memory location and a name x is given to it. That means in first box x is 3 and in second box x is 5. Then we are assigning a new value 5 to same memory location x. So we are assigning a same value 5 to memory location x. So we are assigning values. This would override the earlier value 3 since a memory location can hold only one value at a time. So at first x was 5 and now we are overwriting that x as 3. Now since a memory location can hold only one value at a time, we have to overwrite it. Since the location whose name is x can hold different values at different times, x is known as a variable. So the place where x was situated, it can hold different values at different times at different locations, and x is known as a variable. Now x is known as a variable as against these 3 or 5 do not change, hence these are known as constants. So 3 and 5 are not changing. So digits from 0 to 9 they are not changing. 3 is 3 and 5 is 5, but x is now changing. So x is a variable and 3 and 5 are called constants.